I'm sure we all have heard the news about Lakshmi Vilas Bank's crisis for quite some time now. The bank's trouble comes just months after the rescue of Yes Bank. For the people who are unaware of this, we have a tiny report of the bank's crisis. Let's get into the video. At present, Lakshmi Vilas Bank share price stands at Rs 19.05 per share. The bank's share fell by 7% by the end of September. Here is a brief history of the bank for you. Lakshmi Vilas Bank is surely not one of the recent banks. It has established in 1926 in Tamil Nadu. In 1958, Lakshmi Vilas Bank has received the banking license. By 1970, it already had a pan-India presence. Between 2010 to 2017, Lakshmi Vilas Bank pushed for growth by extending large loans to big corporates. Between financial year 2010 and financial year 2017, Lakshmi Vilas Bank's loan book grew by 4 times and revenue by 3 times. Lakshmi Vilas Bank had loaned out close to Rs 5,000 crores to the companies in textile, infrastructure and metal space that were struggling to pay the interest payments. By March 2018, the bank has made a loss of Rs 650 crores. The bank made a profit of a couple of hundreds during its best time. So it's a big loss for the bank. The bank has been reporting losses every quarter since then. Lakshmi Vilas Bank had tried to raise the money but failed. Then the bank had plans to have a merger with a popular NBFC, that is Indiabulls Housing Finance, but the RBI refused the merger. Days before rejecting the merger deal, RBI placed LVB under prompt corrective action, that is PCA. PCA is actually the restrictions on things like lending money, management salary, etc. Once the bank sticks to the mandate and builds adequate reserves, it can walk out of PCA. Here are a few parameters that have been breached by Lakshmi Vilas Bank, which prompted RBI to step in for PCA. Net NPA in Q1 of financial year 2020 is 8.3%, while the threshold is greater than or equal to 6% but less than 9%. Capital to risk asset ratio in Q1 of financial year 2020 is 6.46% and the threshold is less than 7.75% but greater than or equal to 6.25%. Return on asset in Q1 of financial year 2020 is minus 2.72% and the threshold is negative return on asset for 2 consecutive years. The bank is also making loss with Tier 1 at minus 1.83% as on June 30th. Due to PCA, the bank's shareholders have voted out 7 of its directors, including the key members and long-timers, in one go by the last week of September. Apart from this, Lakshmi Vilas Bank was also involved in a legal battle with Religare Finvest. Here is what happened. Between November 2016 and January 2017, Religare Finvest, a financial services company, placed Rs 750 crores and 4 FDs with the bank. 6 months later, the company was notified by the bank that it had moved the money into its current account and debited Rs 723 crores. When the company confronted the bank about the mismatch, the bank explained that Religare's group of companies had borrowed money from the bank and had not repaid the loan in full. So the bank proceeded from the FD to recover the money. The company registered a complaint against the bank and the bank in turn forced to set aside Rs 200 crores if the court ruled against them in the matter. Lakshmi Vilas Bank has been looking at another merger possibility with Clicks group of companies. The bank is looking to raise Rs 3,000 crores by selling its 49% shares to Clicks Group. If the merger fails, the RBI could ask one of the bigger banks to acquire Lakshmi Vilas Bank and solve the problem. A rumor says that RBI may choose PNB to prepare for the acquisition. Mr. Pradeep, one among the 7 directors who have been voted out, says the rejection was the turning point for the perceptions of LVB's riskiness. Even so, LVB's deposits rose to Rs 22,000 crores from Rs 21,440 crores by the end of March. The bank has Rs 3,000 crores surplus funds that have been parking with the RBI through daily reverse repos. There is no liquidity problem in LVB. We have sufficiently provided for bad loans and we, however, not seen any deposit outflow. We will not default. We all have to wait and see if the bank is going to be another yes bank or not. Please let us know your opinions in the comment section. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos. We'll be right back with another video. Until then, stay tuned.